Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all are good. My name is Rishabh and I am legal intern in the Lexis and Company. And today's assignment topic is on attempt to murder. Attempt to murder. But the definition says that whoever does any act with such intention or a knowledge and under the such circumstances that if he by that act caused a death he would be guilty of murder shall be punished with the imprisonment of the either the description for a term which may extend it to 10 years and shall also be liable to fine, and if hurt is caused to any person by such act the offender shall be liable either to imprisonment for life or to such a punishment as is here in before a mentioned. Attempt by life convicts. Attempt in life in convicts when any person offending under this section is under the sentence imprisonment of life. He may, if hurt is caused, be punished with death. Crime is an act or omission committed against the community at large that is punishable by the state. This could be any act that a lawmaker in a society have deemed to be a criminal. But the definition of crime, according to the Blackstone, crime as an act committed or omitted in a violation of a public law, either a forbidding or commanding it. What are the stages of crime? There are 4 stages of crime. First, there is an intention. There is intention to do thing. After that intention, you prepared. First intention, second preparation, third is attempt, and fourth is completion of crime. This whole 4 steps make a crime. This is called a crime. In short, you can say that this is a crime. Intention, preparation, attempt, and completion of crime. If a person commit a crime voluntarily or after the preparation, the doing, it involves a four different stages. In every crime, there is first intention to omit it. Secondly, preparation to commit it, and fourthly, the accomplishment. The following, I can explain all the stages of the crime. What is intention? Intention is the mental element of a crime. One of the most important ingredients of a crime is a mens rea. That means an intention to do a wrongful act, knowing the evil consequences of the same. This is called intention. What is preparation? Preparation is the second stage of a crime. It means to arrange the necessary measures for the commission of the intended criminal act. Third is attempt. The general meaning of the attempt is an effort to achieve the task or activities. First intention, second is preparation, third is attempt, and fourth is accomplishment and completion of the crime. The last stage is the commission of an offense. Is its accomplishment or the commission? It means that if the accused succeed the attempt to commit the crime, he will be guilty of the complete offense, and if his attempt is unsuccessful, he will be guilty for the attempt only. If his attempt is unsuccessful, he will be guilty of an attempt only. Punishment for attempt. Same punishment for attempt and completion. Separation punishment of attempt of a murder or of a offense, and the offense itself, for example, a murder and attempt to murder. Only attempt is punishable and crime is not punishable. For example, suicide. Crime is not punishable. Suicide. If no specific provision provided for the attempt, then it will be punishable under the section 511 of the IPC, and it is the last section of the IPC. What are the conclusion of the attempt of murder? I can explain. I have explained you what is attempt to murder. I explained the stages of the crime. What are the stages of the crime? There are 4 stages of the crime. First is intention, second is preparation, third is attempt, and fourth is completion of the crime. What are the conclusion? Attempt in a crime is beyond the mere planning or preparation and is distinct from other offences such as a conspiracy to commit a crime. There are many specific crime of attempt, such as attempt of murder, which may vary a jurisdiction. The criminal conspiracy is one of the most discussion topic in the real legal field. In this assignment, try to analyze the criminal conspiracy in depth and try to discuss the several cases of law relating to attempt and criminal conspiracy. And I hope, guys, you understand it. What is attempt to murder, and what are the stages of the murder? Not murder. What are the stages of the crime? Thank you very much, guys.